private eyes, they're watching you. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Mike here. Hope you're having a great day or a night. A beautiful day here in Paradise in Arizona. Cruising here in the truck with a bed full of junkage, and I'm looking for a spot to sell on the side of the road for a couple hours here today. I'm gonna probably go by where I used to sell at the flea market, but there's no action over at the flea market, so there's usually a little spot on the side where it's free that I'm gonna attempt to go to. If not, if it's packed there, I'm gonna go on the other side of the highway and start setting up over there. So yeah, busy day ahead of me. I gotta work on the trailer. It's just non-stop, and I feel like I'm just putting out fires, you know, trying to make a buck or two, trying to survive, trying to get a meal at the end of the day, man. That's how it is, that's for sure. So let's see what we do today. Start a fire without a spark. This gun's for hire.
Well, you gotta wait until when I get done.
I appreciate it, sir.
Yeah.
All right, thank you very much.
Yeah.
Have a wonderful day and a great holiday season. Thank you, I appreciate it. All right, I'll set up here. And I just had an explosion of sales. So, not too bad. As you can see, we got vendors all lined up down here. On the other side of this road is where the swap meet was at. So, we got all these vendors here. There's traffic in here today. So, promising day here. Let me give you a tour of the booth here. Got the tools, pretty much knickknacks. I did add this today. Little jewelry junk lot. And I thought I bought these on Amazon to kind of hold the earrings, really cheap. So I got a stack of earrings, added some more rings, and then just a bunch of the other stuff you guys have seen. Records. I've got my tool bed, or truck of the bed here with the tools on it. So we got some more tools there. So far today, promising. Lots of traffic here. So hopefully today will be a good day. Again, I'm going to spend a couple hours out here. I'm not going to sit out here for 9 hours. Just going to try to make some cashola, which I already have, and have fun at it. Selling some junkage today on a beautiful Saturday here in Arizona. $4. That one's oh, $1. I like that Cowboys jacket. Nice.
Thank you.
Those are the vintage ones, like the 90s.
Yeah.
Starter, that's nice.
I think we found a yard sale somewhere.
Nice.
Fair enough.
All right. So you want everything on hot sale?
That's why I went for my 2 bucks.
Still making it happen over here. Just sold a bunch of tools. And then everybody was fighting over that toolbox. So we're clearing out some of the junkage here, slowly but surely. As I said, I got some other vendors here and just got the side of the road action going on, man. Love it here. Gotta love it. It's like a mini swap meet out here. So not a bad little start here. This is the time to be out here. Obviously this isn't a flea market setting, guys. This is just a side of the road thing. There's other people doing it. But there's some people shopping today. We're doing pretty well. Some good high dollar per hour program here if we keep this on pace. And I've only been here for about 35 minutes. Pretty nuts. I drove by the flea market that's over there, and there's some cars over there, but there's nothing really going on. So it's this is free. It's free, and every other vendor here has got the same idea. Hey, why not? You know, why pay when you can just go out here for free? So I'm excited for today. This is neat, and we got some shoppers. Yeah, baby. It's turned out to be a nice day today. Check out what I just got from a little vendor over here. Yeah, baby, brand new. Sweet. Yeah, check this out. Hamilton Beach 42 cup. Fast brewing. It's brand new and sealed here. Coffee urn. Man, 10 bucks. I'm in. All getting together, getting this gear going so I can start selling some coffee. Yeah, buddy. Nixon and Agnew. All right, just picked up this vintage shaver. I don't have my glasses on, so I can't read if it's a Gillette or not. But for $1, you can't beat that. Can't beat that at all. You gotta love the drive-by shopping. Drive-by shopping on a Saturday. Oh, that one's $5. All right, so we got $3. Okay, cool. I owe you $2. All right, so I'm talking to a lot of the vendors here, and a lot of these guys, they get here at 7 in the morning. They'll stay here till about 3:34. You know, lots of traffic's going by, but it's really slowed down here at the moment. The past 15-20 minutes, there's just stragglers coming in. So I'm gonna probably sit here and chill for another half hour, see what's going on, start packaging up. I want to get rid of some of this stuff, so I'm making some piles right now to stuff to donate, because I just don't want to deal with it anymore. You know, nobody's looking at it, it's just junk. So I got a little tote right here that's all going to be donated. This is Junkola. So the goal is to grab some more stuff, look around, and see is it worth even carrying it around anymore. So that's the game plan. Hopefully some more buyers come. Come on, people, stop! Check out that classic of a car. This guy here just bought a saw for me for $5. He's like, does it work? I'm like, it does. He's like, well, what if it doesn't work? I said, well, then bring it back. Go plug it in somewhere. I said, but I tested it. So he paid me the $5 for a saw. Pretty good deal. Now, I enjoy a cold beverage from time to time, but at noon, this guy was freaking hammered. He bought a couple things, but just slurring all over the place. Craziness. And then I had somebody earlier just came by. Looked like he just came out of a freaking some kind of medical dispensary, because it was just the aroma was in the air. This guy right here is a freaking boss. He's like, I'm looking for this, I'm looking for this. I said, excuse me? He goes, you come here. He's like, I don't get out of the truck. So he's looking for some chargers and stuff, and I said, well, come on back next weekend. He's like, I will. Nice truck, though. Gotta love wheeling and dealing with other vendors. Went over and bought a couple things, and then now they're over here shopping. And the guys made like 4 trips to buy things, so it's all good. Snagging up the little tools. Yeah, baby. It's that time, short and sweet, all packaged up. A couple hours here, making some cashola, leaving a little more emptier. Got a whole tote here I'm going to donate, and yeah, we're thinning the hoard out, people. We're thinning the hoard out. So people are still stopping by here, and the vendors are staying till about 3 or 4. But I'm going to boogie on out of here. I got my cashola, and I'm ready to rock and roll, baby. Rock and roll. So stay tuned, guys. When I get back, I will go do a overview of what I made. Everybody wants to rule the world. All right, you might remember this from that recent storage unit. This chair here. Lady says she's coming right now to pay me some cashola for this, which should be nice because it's taking up room, it's taking up space. And just like that, a happy camper sold. 20 bucks. So my best day yet on the side of the road hustle. I did $146 in about 2 hours. And on top of that, I sold that rinky-dinky chair that came out of the storage unit for 20, plus my online orders. So pretty decent day. Can't beat that at all, you know. Just going out there and trying different things, doing a little bit of side of the road hustle. My trailer's almost done of having some issues with it. One of the lights burnt out or something shorted out. It's craziness. But soon I'll be back on the road, hitting some flea markets here shortly. Again, some more side-of-the-road hustles, too, because they're free. You can't beat free. Obviously, you know, we want days like this all the time when it comes to side-of-the-road specials. But, you know, gosh, you just can't beat the hourly rate on this stuff, you know. But it's a thing here, guys. You know what? It's an ups and downs, you know. Some days you're going to walk out there with 10 bucks. So it's kind of hit or miss. But just going out there, getting active, and just, you know, going out there and just seeing what the world can offer for you. So appreciate you watching today's video. Next time I'm out of here, peace. Vlog over.